the brats. We're making sloppy brats. Dang. Trailbenders Overland is presented by Stockham Media and supporting sponsor, the Waterport.
I requested this meal and my wife made it for me. Chicken salad, apples, tomatoes, raisins, or maybe those are cranberries. I think it's cranberries. Carrots. I think it's carrots. Carrots. So I'm about to make me a sandwich.
Okay, so we're trying to figure out how far we're going to be able to go. Steven needs to get back to work early tomorrow morning. And so we're trying to follow the trail. It looks like on Hema, right in here, the trail ends. It's not documented. But over here, there's another trail that picks back up. And so I'm thinking that trail is our Barracks trail. There's nothing else in the area. So we're almost to that point. We're maybe, quarter mile, half mile or something, just down the road. Not sure what's gonna happen here.
But we're gonna document and record it. So
we're gonna do the best we can, yeah. So we're 4.5 miles in, we have 22 miles to go. And we only have 2.5 hours of daylight. And so we're gonna have to find unfortunately, a turnaround point around here somewhere.
Okay. Let's get to it. We got 2 hours of daylight.
Yeah, let's go. Oh, you just dropped, something. Whatever happened to leave no trace, Dylan?
I'm engaging 4-wheel.
Oh, we have to go up this?
Yes, we're to the right.
Copy. Let me grab 4-wheel. Are you going 4 low or 4 high?
I'm doing 4 high.
Check, make sure we're... Yep, I'm 4. I'm gonna let you do the trail first.
Alright, be careful on that, bro.
Alright, and how's it look up there?
Looks good. I'm gonna come down with the Osmo.
Okay.
you're probably gonna have to back down the steep side. You let it go and it just give it a little bit of gas, see if it'll crawl out, but not too much, just barely. You're sure you're in 4?
I'm in 4 low now.
No, stop. Okay. Okay, now turn sharp. Other way. Now back up slow. Okay, keep it going. Your front's not spinning, dude. Only if your rear's...
Alright, seems that we've gotten into a little pickle here. And that, I don't know if you can really tell, but that is a pretty steep drop. And I don't feel comfortable going down that. So the only way to go is up. So we'll see how this plays out.
See, I'm just gonna give you a gentle tug.
Go 4 low. I'm in 4 low, and I'm just gonna come straight up here.
We're gonna
so I'm
try
gonna
to creep.
Yeah, just try to creep.
But you gotta follow the line. Don't try to go this way.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go up.
Follow where I went.
Right.
But hey, I'm gonna put some tension on that rope right now. From the side, make sure the hook looks good as I do.
Right there.
Does it look good?
It looks good right here. Let me check this.
Okay, and get a floor mat or something to put it over the line.
This is not the proper way to do this by any means, but this is what we're limited to, so. What do you do?
Steve!
Yeah.
Come way over here, away from the rope. I don't want you anywhere near it.
We need a little shovel.
Or use these as a shovel. That's what Exo does. If it can.
How much did we dig on that side?
Not as much, but it looks just like that on the other side. You were deeper over here. You can come check this out if you want, but... Just don't gun it, because you'll burn the snout right off the plastic.
First recovery, successful, as a team. How'd the Max Tracks do?
You
Awesome.
on this one down here, but it grabbed and sent you forward.
How'd it look?
Looked awesome, dude.
Oh! Our
Success.
legit, dude, our legit first recovery. Again, these are the escape buddies. We escaped.
We escaped, good. That was perfect.
Dude, awesome. Alrighty, so that was our first recovery as a team. Got a little frustrated during that, and you know, we're gonna have some capabilities and different capabilities and limitations for each rig, and that's okay. But you know, as a team, we pulled through and we made it out. So awesome job, and let's see what else this trail has to offer us.
Yeah, well said. Copy that. And sorry, I did get a little frustrated there for a second. But thank you for the reminder. Keep morale high. And oh, looks like we might have another hill here. Let's check it out.
Copy.
I don't know if we're getting up this one, bro.
Copy. Let's see what, I'm gonna get out and check what we got. Let's see what we got here. Oh. Well, I know my Forerunner's not getting through.
Hey, look at this road over here. Wonder where that comes from. Or where it goes.
I don't know.
You want to circle back and see if we can find it?
Well, I think at this point that's our
Our only option.
only option. Because I mean, this is,
We're not going up.
there's no way. Like, look how it's either got washed out.
Yeah, it must have gotten washed out. This is, I mean, get a comparison of how high that is. I mean, maybe if it was dry.
No, this is pretty soft sand. I mean, I'm sinking in this thing. Well, I guess this is the end of the of this trail. So
I mean, that would make me nervous to go down.
yeah, I mean, I don't have any. What's the bottom?
Rock sliders.
Rock sliders.
Skid
nothing.
plates.
Skid plates.
Yeah.
Nothing.
We're just doing what we can.
Too big, huh?
That's yeah. It's stupid big. Alright, I made it. Be extra careful going down this. Whoa, 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 whoa. I was scared of that.